Hey guys, I'm going to do a tutorial today on how to make phone calls with Google Meet and Google Hangouts. As you know, if we're having attendance issues or whatever kind of issues with a student, we need to call home. And if you're like me, you're not super comfortable doing that on your phone, even though you can use star 67. But I found a way to do it through Google Meet, which is very easy, and we're on Google Meet all day anyway, so why not just continue to use it? Um, so all you need to do is create a new Google Meet, so meet.google.com. Click join or start a new meet, and then just enter whatever you want to call it. It doesn't matter. Um, I'm going to mute myself when I enter this because I don't need to be unmuted in it. But you're going to want to make sure that your camera can be muted, but you want to make sure that your microphone is not muted if you're trying to make phone calls. I learned that the hard way the other day. But go ahead and join the meeting. Again, make sure your microphone is unmuted. And then if you click show everyone up here, and then click add people, you're going to have two options here. One is to invite via email. So if somebody wanted to actually video chat, you could do that. Or you could click call here, and then you're going to enter a phone number. I'll just enter the school's phone number. And then just click the call button. And then boom, you're on a phone call. And then when you're done, you just hang up. Okay. The weird thing about this is when you make that phone call, the caller ID on the person's phone shows up as coming from Massachusetts. So it's a bit odd, but they may not answer, so you just leave a message. The other way you can do this is through Google Hangouts. So if you go to hangouts.google.com, there's a couple options here. I've been using this as a way to have sidebar conversations with students in my class that might need some help. Basically, you can do messages, you can do phone calls or video calls. So if you want to do a message, you click message and you enter the name of the person, and you send them a chat request, and they have to accept the chat request, and then you can have a one-on-one chat, or you can do video calls too. So again, that's a good way to have conversations with students that you don't want to have in front of the entire class. The other thing you can do though is make phone calls. So if you click phone call, and again, you enter the number, and then just click return or enter, it's going to go ahead and make the phone call. Okay, same thing, and just end the phone call when you're ready. When you make a phone call through Google Hangouts, it shows up as no caller ID on the other person's phone. So another thing to keep in mind. That's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching.